I'm Jeffrey A., and I'm the Columbia County, New York muckraker. We are coming to you today live with more scandals involving a corrupt district attorney's office in Columbia County, New York. This is our district attorney, Paul Shaika. And I want to read just one statement to you because this is really important. Integrity is the very breath of justice. Confidence in our law, our courts, and in the administration of justice is our supreme interest. No practice must be permitted to prevail which invites towards the administration of justice a doubt or distrust of its integrity. You know, we have got a lot of news to report to you today. We have received from the state of Virginia, ADA for Columbia County District Attorney's Office, Trevor Fleik's arrest reports dated in while he is ADA in the Columbia County District Attorney's Office. Now, if you all remember, we had put out the videos and the documentations of the bribes and everything that this ADA was doing as a district attorney in Columbia County for years. Having crystal meth sex drug parties up in the Days Inn on Central Avenue in Albany. Trading sexual favors in the parking lot of the Kinderhook Town Court to the case. Making payments so that somebody would not go to Judge Cohen out of the Columbia County court system and release the documentation of the payments and bribes, the videos, the crystal meth parties. Well, the district attorney knew a lot was going on here in Columbia County because he knew of all these arrests that had taken place with Trevor Fleik in the state of Virginia. And we are holding all the arrest reports from the state of Virginia, one being a felony charge of destruction property with intent over $1,000. The next one being resisting arrest in the state of Virginia. And the third one being public swearing of intoxication. Now, Trevor Fleik was sentenced to a year of probation. He was charged with a felony in the state of Virginia. While district attorney knew this was going on and allowed him to prosecute cases in Columbia County. I'm assuming the district attorney also knew of the crystal meth sex drug parties. He's very close friends with the family. As you know, he has been in Paul Shaika's son's wedding party. And there's a very close relationship. So, you know, one thing that we've got to say is what poor judgment our district attorney, Mr. Paul Shaika, has. This personnel issue shows his poor judgment. But what else would you expect from a district attorney that cancels crime victim advocacy programs here in Columbia County, New York, in his own office? Instead, he spent all of your taxpayers' money building a private bathroom and shower in his office. So we have just gotten these reports from the state of Virginia. We have got them scanned in. We will be putting comments or posts of all of these reports here. All of his arrest reports in the comments section of our video. So that's what we have to come to today, but I need you to ask yourself, and I'm going to read this statement again because it's really important from a district attorney's office. Integrity is the very breath of justice. Confidence in our law, our courts, and in the administration of justice is our supreme interest. No practice must be permitted to prevail, which invites towards the administration of justice a doubt or distrust of integrity. Here in Columbia County, in our courthouse, we do not have that. We have lost all trust out of our Columbia County District Attorney's Office, all trust in our court systems. I mean, there's so much doubt of distrust of the integrity of Paul Shaika's District Attorney's Office. How do we have fair hearings? How does Judge Cohen continue his court cases? How does Judge Nichols continue his court cases? How about Lisa Mills in the town of Kinderhook, knowing that sexual favors are being traded out in the parking lot to dismiss cases? What's going on in Columbia County? That's the question you need to be asking the district attorney. All right, that's our show. Thank you for your time. And don't forget, the muckraker needs to know what's wrong in your community.